Oh, no, the other side first. Tripo omelette. The first one, tripo omelette.
Okay, egg sama ko, guys.
Just now the beef. Three only, go two more.
Yeah.
You want that one, the braised pork, that one, the belly? That is the first one, number one. The other side, back again.
Okay.
Braised pork in soya
sauce.
Yeah, number one.
Okay.
Okay, and then no, yours different from that. Very hard and very rough and very. No. I don't want to do. Very small. Testing. Wait, I'm looking. I usually do how many
Okay.
items? Right, 4, is it?
1, 2, 3,
So one more lah.
4.
This more? Four. Okay, then one more thing. Ngũ yang.
Nhiều hàng. Huệ gì?
Nhiều hàng là.
Yeah.
Number 4. Okay. Then the drinks got to tell them what.
Wala pa din.
You really wanted all of them.
Okay.
Okay, done.
Yung exam ko. The drinks. Naman.
Welcome to Supeng Pinoy Tambayan sa JB.
Let's go JB again. Yeah, JB again. Not Japan. J as in Japan.
Dia ikut dia.
Eh?
Dekat belakang tu.
Huh? The words. Welcome, Pope Francis, unity and hope. The police all around. Then going in the
Special point je lah.
Catholic unit. Cars inside, no? Yeah. Yeah, explosive, the bomb unit. Oh, so many police cars. Oh, then, 还是粥吗？
可以。
有饭还是粥吗？
有粥啊，还有饭，你们推过来。
哎呀，推过来 ，OK， can some are.
Oh, this one.
You don't have 好像春卷这样哈。
Sorry？
春卷。
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 哦。
是买好高是不 have 嘛？是买好。
是买好高
？Wait. Chicken feet.
Chicken feet. Okay, and then.
Okay.
The pork is.
Pork is no.
You want the half cow?
You want the hakka is prawn again, you know? Because later that one is prawn again. I see the shumai. Can I have a look? Shumai.
Shumai. I think that's it. Shumai.
Shumai. The inside is
Is it prawn and pork?
Also got prawn. I think shumai.
Prawn and pork, yeah.
Just that one got. Okay, I take shumai. Okay.
Chili dumpling.
Chili dumpling.
Chili one dumpling.
Chili.
Chili one dumpling.
With the dumpling. You want chili dumpling? I don't know. Dumpling inside what? Prawn.
Dumpling is prawn. It's not chili dumpling.
Buying mooncake, guys. Ayan o, nasa City Square kami, guys.
If you buy 4, you get a box like that. Then
Yeah. Dito kami City Square, guys. No, it's okay. Ayun na siya, naglalakad.
Ini langkah orang jatuh.
全部一样的。OK，我要看它包，因为我要。
guys. Nasa JB kami. I think no lah. Can jalan. Here. Down there they got cigarette. Huh? Ayun. So mean. There you can buy cigarette. Okay, ito, ano. Milo. Oh, Milo. The Indomie, how much is it? Like $1 plus. Oh, this one. Oh, this one. This one. If 10, how much is one? Wait lang. How much this? Are you sure? $9.59. 2, 3. I buy 3, ah? So, around 10 ringgit only. Okay, go. This one, Hmm? 17. Pick up. This one, fern leaf, Dwayne dozen one. Copy. Ito, tapos ano, with honey, 59. Ito 1 kg ata to. 50, 30. Ito ko lang extra. Kami 40. Milk. What Nutri-Kuat coffee. How much is one? 6. What's the spicy? Yan na. Daming kape. Miss ko to guys, yung mamalengke ng ganito. Namiss ko to guys. Uy, namiss ko to. I remember last time I go here, buy a full of this one. Remember? I used to come here guys nung nandito pa ako sa JB. I used to buy things here. Groceries. Ayan, oh, namimiss mo to, ante. Di, may baboy sila doon. Maybe they got baboy there. Don't have, ah. Ano, namiss ko to, guys. Manok sila. Yan. No. This one less 10. Yeah.
Hello, can you hear me? Hello? Hello? Okay. I have total 9 bajaj.
Snacking kami ng saglit, guys. Dito sa gym. Saging nila dito sa Malaysia, guys. Tapos, ay yung sauce niya. Yan, yung sauce niya, guys. Ano? Belacan. Belacan, tapos sweet soya sauce yan. Maanghang. Ito is parang bagoong sa atin na may ano. Ha? Yeah, bagoong. Masarap siya, guys. Ibuson na. Ito yung saging niya, guys. Tapos, sorry, belacan. Sausaw natin. Okay, thank you. Tikman muna natin. Ano? Sarap. Tapos, Singapore bihon. Nasamit ako, guys. Snack lang kami ng kaunti, guys. Ito, guys. Ito ang tutuluyan ko ng ilang araw. Charot-charot. Kimirot-karot. Ayan. Nakapamalingkin na ako, guys. Ayan. Oh my goodness. Para sa ekonomiya. Kape. No balcony. No balcony maybe. Gatas Milo. Ay, okay. Gatas ni Dwayne. Ayan na. Dagdagan ko pa yan, guys. Magiging tahanan ko ng 4 na araw, guys. Ayan na. May double deck dyan. May 2 bed dyan. Parang studio type lang siya. Okay lang para hindi ako matakot. Tapos, yan din sa kabila, guys. Ayan. Okay. Mainam siya kay malapit lang sa ano. Ayan. Diba? Okay na to. Mag-isa naman ako, guys. Ay, hindi. Kasama ko si Leia ng ilang araw. Ayan. Itong pinili ko, guys. Ayaw ko sa hotel kasi nga magluluto kami. Ito, naka-under na siya. Magluluto kami. Ayan. Hindi ko alam kung gumagana to. Mamaya tetestingin namin. May accessories dyan. Iisa lang yung palayok niya. Ay siya. Asan yung mga palayok mo, auntie? Hala, wala siyang palayok. Ay na. Diyos ko. Ay, wala siyang palayo.
Mas time sama-sama.
Huwag ka maingay. Nagbabidyo ako. Nagbabidyo ako, guys. Ayun o, ang liliit. Sa ilalim niya, guys, natatakot siya. 33 floor.
Bagus nasi tu.
Georgetown tu.
Georgetown, ya.
Pergi apa ni, pergi Batu Peringgi.
Ya, cantik.
Komta.
Betul.
Makan, ada makan.
Makan pun bagus.
Ada suka cak kuih tiaw
makan.
Ipoh side.
Oh.
From Ipoh.
No, Sunway Lagoon is
No.
Sunway.
Sunway Lagoon is there.
There's some resort there. Sunway what? Apa ini?
No, that one the Lost World. He tell the cab driver, instead of say Sunway Hotel, he say Sunway Lagoon.
This is the famous one, the bubur nasi.
This the
Yeah, this is the famous bubur nasi number 1. Nakain pa lang kami, guys.
I know.
Merah.
Tumamulit sa Goja lang.
Oh, I see. No, the other side first. Chai po omelette. The first one, chai po omelette.
Okay, exam ako, guys.
To just now the beef. Three only, go two more.
Yeah.
You want that one, the braised pork, that one, the belly? That is the first one, number 1. The other side, back again. Braised pork in soya
sauce.
Yeah, number 1. Okay, and then no, yours different from that. Very hot and very rough and very. No. I don't want to do. Braised pork. Testing. Wait, I'm looking. I only do how many items? Right, 4, is it?
1, 2, 3.
So one more lah.
4.
This no? 4. Okay, then one more thing. Ngũ yang.
Nhiều hàng. Nhiều
hàng lah. Number 4. Okay. Then the drinks got to tell them what.
Wala pa din.
You really wanted all of them.
Okay.
Okay, done.
Tingnan mo yung exam ko. The drinks. Naman.
已經剪好用嘅喝的有什麼 What drink you want? 喝的 Huh? You want tiger? Then you? 燒的有什麼現在
Watermelon.
凉茶豆奶。
有什麼啊？
凉茶豆奶。
有那個有
Guys! Hi guys! Kain tayo! Charot!